Trading crypto can feel overwhelming, but with crypto code, you don't have to do it all on your own. At the center of this system is the WaveBot Toolkit, an automated trading robot that scans the crypto market, finds high potential trades, and even executes them for you. That means you don't have to spend all day watching charts. But crypto code gives you more than just automation. You also get premium trade alerts, which are signals sent directly to you. If you'd rather copy the trades yourself, the alerts make it easy to follow along. To help you learn the why behind the trades, there's Crypto Code University, a full library of 92 training videos. It starts with crypto basics, moves into Bitcoin cycles, and covers advanced topics like chart analysis. And the best part, you'll be part of a private mastermind community with access to Joel and Adam's portfolios and past bootcamp recordings. So if you're looking for a way to automate your crypto journey, hit the link in my description and get started with crypto code today.